Hello. Let's be productive. Let's be productive today. Wow, I cannot speak. That is not good. um, but yeah, where are we? I mean, I'm listening to. Wait, oh, I'm hearing myself. That is not good. Okay, good. Now, yeah, listening to music. But oh shoot, I did not mean to show that. Right. Where are we? Okay, I was not ready. Oh well, that's fine. Um. You know what? Let's close this as well before I start showing like all kinds of. Yeah, I guess that's why people do like like double screens and stuff like that, so you don't run into problems like this. But yeah, I mean, let's try to be productive. Oh, by the way, so I woke up late and I realized this was going on. So now I'm just listening to a VOD, and this is going to be a good day. But yeah, I mean, let's actually do a research that we like to do and make progress towards everything on the project, towards graduation, this or that. Yeah. So earlier I was looking at the project description, which I've actually also posted in the chat. Yeah, basically this is formal verification, so I actually made a small, yeah, edit that. Yeah, I guess the next thing to do is to actually give this some sensible notations. So how do you do this again? But yeah, I mean the goal is basically that what this says, right? That we are trying to formally verify that these papers do what they are they this paper do they what they advertise to do. So yeah. So with that said, what do I do? Can I turn this down a little bit? Yeah, okay, good. Right. Okay. So what do we... Right. Okay. So the first thing that we want to do here is to make sure we have the right, figure out how to do notations, basically, because I actually don't know. So how do I do it? Um, yes, I was looking for basically things like this. So, I want to define notation here. I'm just gonna place in the top level now, although although maybe that's not perfect, but or maybe yeah, I could at least like do local open scope, right? What was it again? Uh, just UTP notations. It's just going to rename this to UTP. This is maybe sensible. I mean, I hope this is sensible. If not, then I don't know what is. I mean, I can combine these two lines. Hmm. Okay, so you need to declare the scope first. What does the limit scope do? Is it upper or lowercase? It's uppercase because, of course, it's the rock thing. It's not a math comp thing. Oh, wow, okay. Wait, but then how do you... Um, something of type... yeah. Funny. But yeah, okay. Maybe I don't need that for now. And then I want to do this. Okay, this is going to be a bit funny. I hope this works to where I think it does. I mean, if not, then I would just ask ChatGPT to write this part for me. What do we have? Left, right, pre-post. Okay, so I have you probably should do this, right? Um, no, I want this version, right? I think I do want this version. What's going on? I don't want any of. I'm very lost. Okay, and then I want this over here. Um, what was it? Input and input output type don't matter, so just do don't think this way. Does it require? Oh, let me see. Pre and post, so it would just be this, and then epsilon. Um, mm, I feel like this is a bit magical, right? I mean, I hope this actually does what I think it does. I guess it would, but still, you know. Of course, yeah. So this is, he actually knows about the, what is it called? It's magical. I mean, maybe I believe it, but still. Yeah, if that's the case, might as well just move it. Okay, so, how do I move this? Sure. Oh, like this, I guess. Then here I need a real type. How, how do you get a real type again? You open the section and you do context. Sure. No, you don't like me because this is because of this, right? Kolha is saying why how much she likes the Vocaloid. Is this real? That is same here. What on earth? Close enough. And then what? And then I want to of course import this, right? So okay, then I would do this very nice thing, which is that I will just rebuild a project because that is what you do every day. And I hope this is going to work. Right. I mean, if this works, I probably should also rename this to some better names. So where do I even use this tool? Did I have I used it? Have I used it anywhere? Because if not, I'm actually just going to rename them. I mean, I'm going to rename them either way, but if they are used somewhere, then that's amazing. Okay, that is easy to fix. In fact, that is perfect time to test out the new, what is it called? New, funny thing, right? What is this thing? Why do I feel like my screen is so small? I mean, because it is, but still. Why is it not liking me? I mean, nothing ever likes me, but still. Do not. I promise I clicked it before and it doesn't like the fact that I clicked it. Wait, you guys can hear me? Of course you can. Yeah, I was hearing myself earlier. Okay, good. Right. Okay, where are we? We are. This does not like me for very good reasons. That's fine because we have this very nice scope. So shouldn't be like notations. UTB should be UTB something else, like UTB judgment or literally just UTB. These naming conventions suck. Sorry, I shouldn't curse. I mean, I guess it's not even cursing, but still. One of these days I'll get as good at music That's cool how you no, just kidding, I probably won't. Wish I would though. Wait, this entire thing is FRSTP, which is not what I want. I'm sad. I'm actually sad. Okay, good. Okay, one of these days I will actually what's the thing? Um One of these days I won't, but I wish I would actually get good at singing, but I won't because I'm not good at this. Okay, sure, whatever. Anyways, okay, so what do I want? I don't want any of this. I want to just say, okay, so here's the thing. This is fully structured, as you might or might not see just from the fact that you have like what very dense 20 plus line of basic unreadable code. Turns out that I mean maybe this is still workable, but the better way is who you know, or this a better looking way might be to have the judgment first, and then you know uh have this first, and then you do the what is it called? Like make this well defined, and then you do something, and then you write each of these as a lemma instead of just using entire inductive type for that. That is that's crazy. I mean everything's crazy, but still try to make it slightly less crazy. Uh, yeah. Okay. So what do I want to do? Not let this. Yeah, maybe this. So what do I want? I want to formalize this, right? So I will have to say that, well, this is, okay, so of course these parts are the same. So I can say, these are still okay, right? Except it shouldn't be that, it should just be, this. Don't need that. So actually I need the input type as well, right? Let's close that. But yeah, I need the input types, but I need only one output type. So I want one input type, and then I want just one. Oh wow, that's already true. I don't need this because everything is now the same. You know. Why? I'm sad because the thing did not compile. That's why it did not finish compiling. Fine, let's do this again. Now you're going to compile, otherwise I'll go cry myself asleep. Especially because I only have 30 minutes of energy. 30 minutes being the length of this, so I have 10 minutes of energy length. 10 minutes of energy. Oh, I really cannot speak today. I have 10 minutes of energy left. I mean, this is too early. Everything is too early. Okay, good. So now that it compiles, it is going to like me. I mean, this I already know it likes me because it compiles, right? Of course, right? I mean, we're not crazy over here. We're always crazy, but you know. Okay, anyways. So, and then you have what? And then you have. Why don't I just copy this over just so I can look at it, even if I don't use it? Just so I know what the correct thing should look like, more or less. So I probably want something like this. But then for a posting, I just want something looks like this, right? Do you think is that like this invariant is still very funny looking because I'm not, I don't even know if I want. I mean, of course I do, right? Otherwise, I mean, I want it. I want it. I always want it. I mean, until I don't. But okay. Anyways, sequence. I should have. It's literally a list. Do I want literally a list? Maybe we do want a list. Where do I put these kind of things? At the end? Okay, good. Yeah. Then what? What do I name? What did I name this? Sequence. List of real numbers. This is true if and only if what? If and only if for all. I could use a fancier for all. Not like three matters. X L X R. What? How do I quantify over memory? I must quantify over memory. Okay. So what was it? XL X no mem L, and then XR mem R. If this were true, then then I get my outputs, and then I say oh, this is going to be terrifyingly ugly because now I have I want to quantify over a sequence of types, which is very very um I mean, there's like this higher order thing which I could do, but this is not. How should I say it? Unless I force all of these to be the same type, which I mean might be sensible. Mm, okay, what kind of what is PI? PI and QI. What do we return, right? Do they return only the sampling result, or do they return everything? I think they have to return the entire global thing, right? Like PI is literally the entire experiment up to step I. So I can literally not hmm Yeah, okay, so if that's not the case, then what do I do with the, I guess I will have to, I already listened to this one earlier, so time to switch. Guess I don't even know what to switch to. Um, well, it's hard. Everything's very hard. And I thought I was gonna be productive today. I guess not. What on earth? Sure, why? Why not? Okay. So I could have sigma types. Do I want sigma types? Mm, I mean, okay. First of all, this tuple can, I can just make it into a function that takes a number as input and outputs the No, actually, it doesn't really matter. That doesn't even really help. I mean, it might as well stay as a list, but I need a list of sigma types, right? Um, Sigma type of, the distribution, what is it called? The support type and the actual distribution. Um, this is actually really, really bad. Now I need to talk about this as well. I need to like condition on the earlier samples. Um, yeah, I feel like even just this is hard to write down. I mean, we have to write down. There's no avoiding it. But okay. So for KO divergence, what do we know? Do we know? Um, does it just take any? Yeah. Okay. So it can be supported in type. Thankfully. So I need to wipe my glasses down. I mean, wash it and wipe it down after. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. But yeah, I feel like this is like one of the difficulties that I have. Basically, that I'm in too many projects, and each of them, but for like real problems like this, it kind of requires my full attention, and then I none of the project get anywhere because it, yeah. Well, I guess other projects get somewhere because this kind of like hard problems eventually get solved by others, but my own project, I don't know because I cannot allocate enough energy to solve hard problems like this or get anyone to solve it for me. Or maybe I don't know, it's hard just because I'm not good at this. Okay, so let's try to find enough of that. Let's actually try to solve this. I need a constraint that these two are the same size as well, which means I need. Oh, but no, like that's easy, right? I just need like uh length L, and then I can say that I'm getting L1. Okay, that is maybe not hard. So now, what do I do? No, I mean this cannot be a list. This has to be a tuple of a given size, where the everything should be parameterized by the size of this. Yeah, I do have that. That's perfect. I think at some point I was getting confused over if I should use ntuple or if I should use the choice type. I think for this I can just use ntuple. Okay, so if I just do this, is it going to accept? Or is it just going to, well, unless it just stops liking me. Okay, good. I mean, of course, this is not the correct thing to write down, but I want to first make sure it compiles. Do I still need this, or can I just get rid of it? I mean, I'm not talking about coupling here. I'm not talking about. I mean, yeah, that's fine. Um. Still no. Oh. Okay, now time to fix this slowly. I feel like my glasses is still cloudy. I need to wash it again and do something. Something other than using tissue paper wipe it, because then this tissue paper's what is it called, like 棉絮? I think. Yeah, basically this like I don't know how to say it in English, but basically yeah, these pieces from tissue paper still makes it cloudy. Okay, that's a bit better. At least it's washed, but it's right now it's wet. Yeah. By the way, have you heard that you're supposed to apparently you're supposed to wash glasses with like dishwashing liquid or something, like instead of with like regular soap. I don't know. I just used water just now. It was fine. Except this is I need to somehow dry it. Do I have like one of those like glasses cloth things? Maybe I do. Let me check. I mean, you know, the piece of cloth that usually comes in a glasses case. Oh, I do have one. That's perfect. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, using this to dry my glasses carefully, and then hopefully it will be fine. And then we can think about how to do this, because this is okay. I mean, let's say if I manage to you know, I manage to do this and what? Let me think. Um, are we in a situation where this is actually useful? If I can write this down, then I can actually instantiate this. I mean, instantiate can actually prove anything is any reasonable program satisfies this property. Um, I mean, I guess that's what program logic is for, right? So I mean that is like half of the problem, but not the entire thing. Let me see. I mean, there's this like mighting thing, right? So you want to say, yeah, how the sequence rule here works. I mean, there has to be some kind of sequence. Oh, because of course that's how it works. It's, I mean, it will have to be a strong sequence rule, which I guess it. Um, I guess this will work. because I can just say that this is yeah, this is the kind of thing that is maybe worth having a pen and paper proof of. Yeah, I don't know for sure. I mean, okay, let's just hope that right last time I wrote down the board is right, because because I mean, if it was convincing to me one day, it should be convincing to me for on the next day. I mean, that's of course not that's nonsense, but I mean, we live for nonsense, right? Okay, so what do we want? We want to formalize this very funny looking property. So we want to say that this is an tuple of or I guess L tuple of sure. Let's be consistent to the to a board. So this is now L, or it should be the other better looking L. Um, what is it called? LaTeX. Huh? Oh, because you need to copy and paste. Okay, good. And then same here, paste. Okay, now what? Now you want to say that there exists. No, that's not a. For all of this, you want to say it's just. Let's hope this. Okay, it actually still compiles. There exists. Do I have any like nice thing for it? There exists? Because if not, I can just do the not this nice thing. Fine. Let's do the not this nice thing for now. We can make it nice later. So there exists what? There exists P is what? Is L tuple of a sigma type. Um, hmm, uh, okay, so what do I want here? Sigma, I want dependent pair. So I want to say this is, it's fair work. Okay, I would drop the tuple for now. I would just hope that this works. Um, okay, let's first make sure that this kind of thing will work. It will not. Syntactically, this makes sense. Okay, now I would change this to a sigma type. I will say that this is This should probably be this. It should give me a no, this is fine, yeah. And what? Distribution over this and that over views. Okay, so now this is just I mean, you why? I mean, Russell's paradox nonsense, I suppose. Well, between that and things are brittle. What if I just have a list? So I want a list. Um, oh, ew. Um, what is going on here? Um, Maybe I can save a list and then I don't know. No, but I want this to be the same. I mean, if these are not the same length, then really bad things happen, right? So I want to just say that these are the same length. Um, I'm sure there's a way to enforce this, right? Um, okay, so I mean, of course, I'll just say this. This is a bit dumb, but this is, I mean, this solves the universe thing. This is out of curiosity. You know what? Why not give it a try, right? Um, do you like this? You like this? Okay, you like this very much. How about this? Do you like this? You sure? Yeah, whatever. You don't like this anymore. Okay. Okay. Um. Um. Okay, but this is fine as well. And then math count tuple is just list, right? This yeah, okay, so that's proved, yeah, in type. So this is um um how scared should I be? Well, let's first actually figure out how to figure out if this even works, because I mean it'd be really fun if I spend like, you know, longer than I want trying to figure out this difficulty thing and only for it to not work. So what is this vector of okay, fine. I mean if it works then okay, so how do you, let me see, for my notes. Okay, let's see what is this. Well, I mean there's defined somewhere, right? So how is it defined? Mm, a vector is what, right? A vector is, well, oh man, this is a funny thing, isn't it? That's a very funny thing. This is not even a. Oh, this is just this. Wait, so this is not dependent type, right? Um. This is not a dependent type, right? Or is it? I'm confused. I'm so confused. Um, Maybe it is. What is a dependent type? Hmm. Okay, maybe I had a wrong understanding that dependent types can only be instantiated using sigmas in subtypes. Now today you don't have a sigma here. You just have literally just a inductive. But this is, I mean, by how it is used, I would suppose that it is a dependent type because I can, I mean, of course it is because this is a type signature. Um, Whatever. Okay, good. Where are we? No, I would regret this like fast, but okay, fine. Maybe. Oh man. Sure, whatever. Um, yeah, they can both be mapped to lists, anyways. Okay, just brute force through this because I mean, brute force is always the answer, right? Okay, so you have a well. How do you pull the I element out of this vector? I mean that you should be able to. Um, for real? Wow, that's new. Okay, sure, whatever. Okay, now I need to um okay, let's put this together and have otherwise I don't know how to I want to ensure that I want to ensure the support of this match. I mean, I guess it's not hard to, you know, yeah. But then once I say the supports match, I want to say their, what is it called? Their KO divergence are, close. headache. Hmm. Where should this be? Standard listen library should be at the top. Okay. And then what? And then, oh, this probably can also just move to the top. Huh. No. QWER, I guess. Why not, right? Sure, yeah. Then what? Then, I want to... I feel like this is going to look terrible no matter what I do. So maybe I stare at this for not that. I mean, that is fine too, but... what's the board? Here, okay. I stare at this for a bit longer to see like, how do I make this, how do I encode this in a cleaner way? Or if there's even a clean way to begin with. Yeah, I think no matter what I do, it's just we just have dependent types. Um, hey, how do I? Okay, maybe I can just ask, right? So, it's between that and I just enforce it by, you know. Um, what on earth? Um, cannot. No, one Cartesian thing. I mean, okay, so this is a cheap way of doing it, but of course not. How do I tag product of? Yeah, okay, this was hidden by the, what is it called? Sure, whatever. Okay, so we have this, and then what, right? Okay, and then now we need to take marginals. Wait, how to even take marginals? This is, oh. I mean, I'll have to specify the types of, hmm, do I need to be explicit? That, well, I mean, wait. This is not a tuple. This cannot be. Because if this were a tuple, then this would imply that this thing is a, independent. And these are not independent. Far from it. This is correlated. Okay. So that's both good and bad. Fine. Maybe a good part is that now I get to write this and say that the vector thing can go very far away, and I never have to look at it ever again. But the bad thing is that this is, well, one of the bad things that my throat feels strange because allergies. The other strange and maybe nice or maybe not nice thing is that this is literally a both of these are distributions over untuples. Do we have that? I mean, okay, let's see. Um, okay, good. Is it possible to write this down? Okay, it is. Good. Just out of curiosity. Um, no. Okay. Um, wait, no. I need to. Still no? I don't care. Now what? This is a real number. Now, I know they do some kind of marginal distribution, but I don't know if their marginal thing is the one that I have in mind. Okay. So I have this, and then I have what? I have, what is it? I have this, and then I have, this, and then what does it do, right? Let's see. So basically, I have to encode a sum. Right. So I need some ways to write down a sum over a type. Which is going to be wait over a type? Maybe not. Wait, this is no. Why one is not marginal and why one is conditional? Which I don't have. I mean, okay. Here is maybe what we are going to do. I mean, I'm okay. So first, this is open source, so I'm allowed to tag it. And second, I was the original person who wrote who contributed this to a open source library, anyways, which gives me even more of a reason to tag it. I mean, to be able to use it and tag it, right? So so here it is, I guess. Do we have this scale? You don't, right? Yeah, it's just a renormalized thing, which is fine if we don't have this. What's this? Is it, I mean, I don't remember this. A, I don't remember this, and B, I don't know what to say, especially because, like, I don't know. I feel like this is just one of those things that are. I don't know. I feel like this is just one of those things that are. That I maybe. how should I say it? Maybe I want to say I'm not entirely happy that this thing has been forgotten, and maybe now I'm the only one who remembers. Because this is such a useful thing. But then I guess that just means that we remember it today and it is mine, because nobody would claim that it's theirs. It's never stopped being mine. Okay, good. So here's what I want to do. I want to just do this. Now I want to tag. Don't need this. Don't need that. Just guess I could even take this over if I still use this. I'm not sure if I use D2 post still. I mean, I probably did somewhere in the entire project. Okay. So I'm not. Yeah, I still don't know how I should feel. That I kind of don't feel like anyone is using this, or maybe they are. I don't know. Oh, if I get to pick, I probably would be happier if nobody used it. Okay. So I would say that this is. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. There is a lot that I can say. Maybe I'm not sure if I actually want to say any of it. Probably not. Probably never. But there's a lot of history, um, good and bad history, both good and bad with the my experience with EasyCrypt, or not with the software specifically, with the people with EasyCrypt, I guess. Yeah. So I mean, that's kind of why I'm here right now, I'll just say that. And that's kind of why I'm not using EasyCrypt anymore. Human reasons. But, yeah, I mean, with that said though, I mean, I can use that if I want. I mean, use the, and use this if I want. I mean, what else am I going to use, right? I mean, of course I will have to fill this in sometime, but yeah, I mean, one of these days I will port the thing properly, but for now I just wanted this. Yeah, yeah, import it. If not, I should. Okay, so hopefully by doing this, by doing this, I would compile the file and make that symbol available in this file by doing this. No, okay. Uh, this is going to break, isn't it? Maybe not. I don't even want this anymore, right? I just want this and this to both be its own thing. Okay, so I don't actually want this, of course not. Um, uh, why not, right? I mean, if you know what I'm about to write down, you would not be happy. No, this is not. This is stupid, right? I mean, no, I need this, what is it called? I need this, yeah, I need this. Of course, that's what I need. No, this is not what I need because this is the same. This is uniform. I don't want this to be uniform. Right, I don't want this to be uniform. Actually, I don't need this to be. This is not what I want, right? Um. Yeah, I think this is not what I want. What I want is actually an actual folded version of this the tuple. No, tuples are uniform. I need a non-uniform version of this. Let me go make would be more tea. I'll be right back. Just kidding. I already have hot water. I just need to heat it up in the kettle, like right beside me. Okay. So what do I have? Hmm. Right. What do I have? I want to. I want non-uniform version of a choice vector so that I can sample from it. And then I can. And once I do, I will be able to. Yeah, yeah, maybe I will have to rewrite this as a non-uniform version. Well, what is this doing here? This is mapping it to, okay, so I have chvec and I have ntuple. But then, no, ntuple is ntuple is also uniform. I mean, by definition, it's uniform. So I would actually have to come up with a non-uniform version. Or do I? Don't, right? I mean, just sequence. The thing is that this is SS proof compatible types, and I actually don't need to use this CH product. I don't need to use this funny SS proof based product. I can use any products, right? And if I can use a usual collision product, then does it make it easier? I mean, it has to, right? Oh, but then it's like I need to um oh, here I have to take both marginal and condition, right? Because I need to first condition on the earlier elements, and then I condition earlier elements, and then I marginal all later elements. Okay. So I will have to do a funny thing. Very funny. Um, demargin allows me to so I actually need both, right? I need both demargin and deconditional. Which is really funny. I feel like at some point I should go out and eat, or I should microwave something and eat it. Either or I should make something on the stove and and eat it. I mean, I guess the stove option sounds pretty healthy. She do have stuff in the fridge I can make as well. I guess there's like this salad. It's like what is it called? This like bag of like quote unquote instant salad. Not sure if that's the right we call it. Like ready to eat salad is probably the right term. Like I could just open it and make and eat it. I mean, of course that cannot be the entire meal, but I'm just saying that it's going to go bad if I don't eat it. So I guess I could eat a salad with something else. Maybe. Yeah. Anyways, right. Although I guess the argument is that I actually had breakfast, so it was not hasn't been so long since last meal, so I could just go at it for a bit longer, and then just say that I would eventually eat. probably more sensible. Okay, so I want to just say that this is a condition on something, but it does not actually change the type of thing. So I guess what I wanted to do is to first hit the thing with decount and then with the margin. Okay, so that is what I would do, I guess. If I just print it, then do I get this? I do. Okay. So what would I do? I will have to say that. Wait, how does this marginal thing work again? Do I just reattribute it by saying that, wait, but then what is the difference between this and a DMAP? Or is this literally a DMAP? I'm a bit confused actually. This is literally just a DMAP. Which would make sense that it is, yeah. So I would literally just tag the IVE projection and then I'll be happy. Okay, so that's what we are going to do, right? We are going to say that now we have a okay, that's fine, I guess. I mean, hmm. I don't need this, right? I just need the hmm. Mm, mm, let's see if I even formulate a question correctly. Mm, Yeah, this is super strange, isn't it? Mm, yeah, I know I can just take tuples of choice types, right? So I could literally just make this a nested thingy. Hmm. I mean, I could make it inductive. Maybe I should make it inductive. Inductive dependent type thingy. Um. Right. How do you? Is it literally just this? Hmm. But then from the top down, the thing would just look like. Oh, I mean that's really funny though. Um. What is it? And what, right? And I want to. Well, I mean, should be this because I want the mm, this math comp, right? Yeah, this SS reflect. That's good. Okay, then what? Now I want to say I want to go back to sleep. That's what I want to do. That's not what I want to do, right? How do I pretty sure there's a way to do this. It just fix point O, of course. But then no, I need a target type. And chvec is a which is just a tree. Hmm? This is a type, because of course it is. So I should just say that this is a type. This is choice type, right? Is that choice? This is not choice type. Let's say just assume that it's the same as the other unit. So is this why? Okay, that is what that is meaningful. Okay, because because it's will type, therefore it's meaningful. So what now? Now I want to kind of. No, I feel I've lost my mind already, even though it's only like 1 hour in. Mm, okay, so this is a unit, and then what? I want to say, well, I mean, that is not what I actually want to say. I want to say that, um, I almost want to say that this should be the other choice type, but don't know for sure yet. Then what? And then I would say that um oh man, again, because of course it would do that, but this is going to go through. Yeah, of course it is. But maybe I would be happy with that then. I mean, this is about to be a recursive one. Wait, but then is this just, well, I mean, it's basically the same thing as above, right? It's, hmm, what's this? No, what's it? How do I grab the, what is it called? All the elements except the first one. I have a feeling this thing is not going to like me very much. Okay, but why? I remember there was some trick to get this to work. I don't remember exactly how. Yeah, how did I get this to work? I will have to say something like, oh, do something like this, right? Mm, okay, this is sensible. I guess both sensible and hopefully actually what I want. Okay. Then with that said, I should be, well, okay, first of all, as another sanity check, I'll be able to, I mean, of course I will be able to, right? But, you know. Oh man, so it doesn't, actually it doesn't work. But you like this, you don't like this here. Why do you not like this? Oh, because, Okay, so you like me, I think. Okay, so if you like me, then you should like this as well. Okay, that means if I had something of a if I have something like this, then I can have a distribution over this. It's well typed. It's good now. Not sure why it's well typed, but it is. It's very good. Okay, so now I have a non-uniform vector. Now what? Right. Um. mm, uh. Something like this, I guess. That I have this, that, and then I have now I want to grab the if element from this, but then I guess I could do is to just say that. Well, I mean, okay, so this is well defined, but I need to do some things here. Say that well, I want to ensure that I is less than this ordinal thing. So that is slightly better. But then what, right? Um. Oh, but then I don't want to, or maybe I want to. I don't know. Okay. Wait. This is a. I want to return a type, but here I want the value of a type. So is this overloaded? Can I not? But that's not what I want, right? Oh, because I want the I thing from there. The return type itself is going to be really annoying to write down, isn't it? The return type is going to be the if of the if type. Like return type is going to be if element of this. That is such a headache. So I feel like, I don't know, running out of good things to listen to. Don't know, really don't know. Okay, so how do I get the ith element from the list? I would say, I mean, of course, the right thing to do is to say, I mean, okay, this is going to become a program definition or program fixed point because there's no way that this is going to, yeah, there's no way that this is going to, can you have a program fixed point? You can, right? I mean, yeah, because there's like no way I can prove that this is the right type. Okay, so how do I get the ith from a tuple, right? There has to be like t and yeah of I and then what? First of all, what if I just okay? Now that is sensible. So I would, you know, this is dependent type. Oh man, this is too much dependent type, isn't it? Very good. The other funny thing I can do is to like make some more alcohol, and then I keep coding because strong coding is good. Yeah, speaking of which, like I bought the what is it called? I bought the syrup for the what is it called? I bought this, so one of these days will be able to make one of these and drink it. Problem is I don't have a glass, so I cannot actually make this look nice. I mean, it's going to taste good, but I mean, I hope it tastes good, but I don't, actually, how to even make it? Anyways, no, I want the, which one goes first is maybe what I want to figure out. Okay, so you want to do tequila first? You want silver? That's surprising. So I was surprised. I was looking up earlier. I thought you wanted the, what is it called? Um, whatever. So you want this? That's very strong. Well, I mean that's probably normal. It's just not I'm just not used to it. Okay, and then printing seems good. One of these days I will. But there's a lot of tequila. Oh man. Well, I hope my orange juice. I actually got tangerine juice. I hope it doesn't go bad by the time that by the time I get my syrup. The syrup is not gonna arrive for another 4 days. Or I should just go and buy more orange juice as an excuse that I don't want to keep looking at this anymore. Ring scope. Still no. How much do I care about this experiment? Maybe I don't, right? Because I just wanted to do a funny thing of what do I have here? So this is, so I just can I literally match? I could probably match, right? If I print this, then I literally have this, yeah. So I could say that match what? Match vec with if it is, what's this? Um okay, no, I want to first say that if I is not 0, then then what? No, I want to match anyways, right? So I want to match with what? If what? This is second case is it would never output anything, right? So how do I mean I actually don't care about second case. I guess I could literally just still write down whatever, but you know. I feel like if I remember correctly from like forever ago, because this project goes so slowly, but there is some right, because here you don't have anything to output. But here if because everything is inhibited, I don't have to do that. Okay, good. So I would say if I is 0, then A else I non-uniform vec, and then I want to do what? Behead vec. Is a tail, and then I do I minus 1, right? I want to just say that this is a why is it not inductive? I mean, this is a choice type, right? So when you take this, it becomes a choice type. So when it is a choice type, because you have what? Well, I don't get anything meaningful here. Okay, that's good to know. So what now, right? Um, this is correct. Oh, why am I getting a very funny thing? Just new person? Okay, yeah, maybe I don't care about new person. Um, actually losing my mind here. I know this has to be a product. But how do I make use of the fact that it's a product? I guess I could say that it is not a guess depends on what is n. If n is more than one, then we know that this thing is a right. Okay, so what do I do? I mean, if I do this, it would work, right? I mean, I can force it through, right? I don't think this is going to work, right? It's just to be true, right? No, I mean this already gets stuck here because using first issue. But then setting that aside for a moment, how does this work? Okay, right, because if this is 0, then what? Then what do I have? I mean, I cannot take a. Mm, then there's just nothing there, right? So I will have to say that I should not be able to. This is really scuffed. This is stupid. I don't want that. I know I don't want that. That is for sure. Unless, I mean, uh, um, I don't need this anymore. You can just say that. Well, I mean, okay. So now my vector is now empty. Then what? Um, I mean, this is not less than. This is greater than 0. If n is not 0, then this types is, you know what? Yeah, it's whatever. Um, so here we are going to do something crazy. That is what we're going to do because it's what it is. Now what? Now we are going to say you know, now we are going to just use like a you know tag and drop, right? So what do we do with tag and drop? Okay, so let's see. If I or when we have tag and drop, we'll be able to write down what is it called? Write down this, and then we can have Yeah. Yeah. Uh, okay, yeah, I mean, this is crazy. This is env, right? I feel I should name this env, and then this is like, okay, good, and then, you know, let's do a question mark. If I do tag or drop, then this would be, and I just need to figure out how to, I can do tag and drop here, right? If I can, then I should be able to just do a sim with the other thing. Size this env, this is, if you actually cannot do text or drops, then I would just go cry myself to sleep. You can do text and drops, okay. So, I think actually I would just go take a lunch break. I will be back and back to this after. See you guys later because I feel like I am not productive. Well, either that or maybe or later I would try to just work a bit off stream. I'm not sure, so I can listen to some other people's streams while working and see if that improves my productivity. We'll find out. And I mean, hopefully this goes well. Yeah, I guess there's also some refactoring and renaming to do, but I will also do it later, I guess. Yeah.